In this problem, we are starting with h divided by 16, which if you were to write it out using vocabulary, you would say h divided by 16, or you could say the quotient of h and 16, as if you write it in the long division symbol, you want the h to go on the inside, so it says h divided by 16. The h is out front first, so you want it to come inside at the when you're writing it using long division. And then if you're writing it as a fraction, since the h was stuck inside, he's ready to go on top, and the 16 is ready to go underneath.
Okay, so what we're doing, we're just going to write m divided by the quantity of b divided by, no, b, I can't write, the quantity of b minus 33. So the reason why we're using quantity is because we need to put b and 33 into a group. Otherwise, it'd be written like b over, no, m over b subtract 33. So you need to put b and 33 into a group. Okay, so next we will write in the long division. On the outside, we're going to write 33, well, b minus 33. And then on the inside, we're going to write m. And then we already have the division, or the other one written for us. So with the division symbol, we're going to write m, and in parentheses, we're going to write b minus 33.
So we'll be doing 7 divided by x. So as we know, it'll be 7 on the top and x on the bottom because it's 7 divided by x. We know that for this one right here, it'd be 7 divided by x again. And on the top, we know that we're supposed to flip them with long division, so it would be x. Well, it would be 7 divided by x, but we'd flip the numbers. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, so since there is a y plus the 13 inside the bar, you'd have to go there. Then since the 2 is on the outside, it's going to have to go onto the bottom. And then on the top would be y plus 13. Then since the y plus 13 is on the top, and since when it's on the top, you don't have to put the parentheses, so now you have to put the parentheses for y plus 13, then close it, then divided by 2. So the quantity of y plus 13 divided by 2.